Chapter 11 is titled Marketing, Building Profitable Customer Connections. First, we're going to look at Section 1, which is talking about getting value by giving value. First, we need to look at a couple of terms. Of course, marketing. It's a set of processes for creating, communicating, and delivering value to customers, and for managing customer relationships in ways that benefit the organization and its stakeholders. The American Marketing Association defines marketing as the activity, set of institutions, and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. Utility is the ability of goods and services to satisfy consumer wants. Of course, long-term profitability is the ultimate benefit that most businesses seek from marketing. And this benefit can be attained only when value is delivered to your customers and other stakeholders. So value is key here. As customers have a number of wants, different products provide different utilities. You can see here the types of utility, and the vast majority of products are going to provide some kind of form utility. And virtually every product will provide some degree of ownership utility, but some offer more than others. So you can read over form utility, converts inputs into finished form, time utility, satisfy wants by providing the goods and services at a convenient time. Place utility, it's going to satisfy wants by providing goods and services at a convenient place for customers. And ownership utility will satisfy wants by transferring ownership smoothly from the seller to the buyer. Sports, politics, and art dominate people marketing. But even some business people merit mentioning. Consider, for example, Paris Hilton. She appeared to build her early career on promotion alone, and then eventually the media attention into it. She took that and her media attention and made a successful line of perfumes and fashion items. And there are many more like this that we could talk about. Cities and states use place marketing to attract businesses, and then partnerships between the public and the private sectors are increasingly common in event marketing. And then idea marketing, a whole range of public and private organizations market their ideas that are meant to change how people think or act. This exhibit shows the evolution of marketing, and that you can see the number of overlaps that have taken place through the years. But despite those changes, there are a few fundamental ones that have remained constant. The marketing concept, you can see, emerged in the 1950s. And the marketing concept was a business philosophy that made customer satisfaction now and in the future the central focus of the entire organization. What are the 4 different kinds of utility that marketers can provide? I want you to think about that and try to give an example. Try to think of something not from the book. You can use the book to kind of give you ideas, but try to come up with your own example of a product that delivers each type of utility. And you can pause it and try to do this, and then when you're ready, I will go over one of each with you. So now that you have written your examples down and have resumed the video, I'm going to give you my example of form utility, and it's IKEA, and they transform lumber into furniture. My time utility that I used was Costco. They offer 1 hour photo service, so that is convenient. Place utility, Starbucks has stores on virtually every corner. Ownership utility would be Ford. They offer a low-cost car financing program.